Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Miss Jamaica World hosted their Fast Track talent event last night at the Phoenix Theatre in Kingston. The second Fast Track event saw 16 beautiful ladies showcasing an array of talent in categories of spoken words, drama, music and dance. Patrons were out supporting their favorite contestant who kept them entertained for the entire show.
That black is beautiful, they never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful.
Jesus is the next one again. Oh, Jesus is the next one again. Help us is the next one again. Oh, help us. 57 years now, and we look how we achievement. We have a short wow. Can I get a wow?
The night ended with the Tony and Sing Miss Covergirl being named the winner of the talent competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for 16 lovely ladies.
Tony gave an astonishing performance of Whitney Houston's track, I Have Nothing. Joel Mackenzie and Thalia Malcolm were placed second and third respectively. Pageant director Wes Dunn was pleased with the talents that were on display.
We wanted our talent show to be not the same old. So we have a variety of acts, the spoken word, the musical presentation, and dance. I was very impressed with the different types of dances that we had, and very colorful. So I was very pleased.
Winners of the Fast Track events earn an automatic place in the top 10 of the Miss Jamaica World Finals that is scheduled for September 21 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The next Fast Track events are Beach Beauty, Top Model, and Beauty with a Purpose. Good luck, ladies. Now, Heineken celebrated International Bowtie Day at Cellar 8 in Kingston last night. Guests were out in their numbers, dressed in their bow ties to the invitation-only event. Adorned in classic and unconventional bow ties, patrons mingled while enjoying some Heineken beer, paired with the Heineken-inspired burrito, alongside tasty hors d'oeuvres from Jackie Tyson Catering. International Bowtie Day was established to celebrate the glory of the bow tie and the amazing power it has to make anything it's placed on infinitely superior to what it was before. Heineken celebrates the day and acknowledges the men of the world. International Bowtie Day marks the one day when the bow tie reigns supreme.
What was really special this year is just the unique bow ties that I saw, and the creativity. Persons really came out, and I love that. So we at Heineken love when our consumers get the opportunity to express themselves, to be creative and to be unique, and this is what Heineken is all about.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.